Welcome to the IVM Podcast Network.
TFG Fantasy Cricket is an IVM production, and you can also check out their other awesome shows like The Podcast, a show that gives you a weekly lowdown on Mumbai's food, culture, and new openings in the city.
You're listening to TFG Fantasy Cricket.
Hey guys, welcome to a new episode of TFG Fantasy Cricket Podcast. My name is Nikhil. I have Vivek Krishnan with me in the studio. Today we are looking at Mumbai versus Punjab. A big match for Punjab, but at Mumbai's home ground, chances कम लग रहा है?
बहुत ही कम लग रहा है. So first of all, hello to everybody. Didn't have a great match yesterday, but it's okay. Again, it was always a call between Pant or Karthik. We went with Pant because he scored 97 the last time Delhi played Gujarat, and he had to be promoted. I think he got promoted.
Yeah.
He failed, and we felt the Gujarat batting.
He failed miserably.
Very badly.
होता है ना कि short term success मिला तो एकदम ऐसा दिमाग में जाता है.
Good. अभी लगता है देखो that he has not been taken to England. So the selectors have made a fantastic call, and MSK Prasad was right when he said he's our future, and we'll pick him at the right time to give him the right opportunity. So they knew what was okay. So lacking probably is a wrong word at this stage. They knew he was not ready. ऐसा बोलना चाहिए for Champions Trophy, and that's why the call. But Karthik once again made the most of his opportunity, and no wonder he's in the reserve list. MS Dhoni has asked the BCCI, and in fact he's requested them to keep about a few players on the reserve. So he's one of them. Moving on to today's match between Mumbai and Punjab, very difficult for Punjab. They need to win both the games to stay in the hunt.
Yeah.
Mind you, even if they win two, there is no guarantee they're going to qualify, because it then comes down to the net run rate with Pune, SRH, KKR, everybody in the fray.
No, but if they win both the matches, they would move to 16.
They would move to 16, but you already have...
Then Hyderabad is out.
No, but what if Hyderabad win their last match?
So they move to
17. So
Okay.
that's the problem. So they tie up with KKR and Pune. Then it comes to run rate. And what if KKR wins? Then Pune could be in trouble. So many permutations, combinations. The only team that is safe today is Mumbai Indians, who have convincingly qualified. Having said that, number one, number two, still up for grabs. And that's why I genuinely feel Mumbai will play a very strong team today. They wouldn't want to take Punjab very lightly. If they win, they are secured 1 and 2, which is so important in a tournament like the IPL. Having said that, Malinga, Johnson, Saudi. I just get a feeling they could go back to Saudi or Mitchell Johnson, because they deep down know they are safe, they are in the playoffs, and Malinga is a champion bowler who needs to recover, he needs to be rested well, he needs to be fresh for the playoffs. So they might say rest. So this is the only change I see. Krunal Pandya, I read some reports, is still not fully fit. So I see Karan Sharma playing in his position.
Okay, so let me go through
Otherwise,
the team.
Mumbai ka same team hai. They don't change much here.
Yeah, that's true. Why would you change a winning combination?
Absolutely.
It's not Delhi.
Not Delhi, not any other team. So.
Okay, let me go through the lineup that we have made for this match. Parthiv Patel, straight choice. Okay. In batting, we have Lendl Simmons, Manan Vohra, Rohit Sharma, Sean Marsh, and Kieron Pollard. Now, you need to give some good explanation on why Lendl Simmons as captain, why Sean Marsh as vice captain. Provided you said in the last match of Kings 11 Punjab, Sean Marsh is on and off.
So let's start with Lendl Simmons, because he's going to open. Number 2, he has a good record at the Wankhede. Number 3, the Punjab bowling is not very formidable. Yes, Sandeep Sharma is there. He picks up a wicket very early with the new ball. Having said that, the ground is small. He likes to attack. There is going to be license. People are going to tell him just go after the bowling.
Butler is gone?
Butler is gone. So even if he's in the team, I don't see him playing, because otherwise they would have never dropped him in the first place. It was a good call looking back, because they wanted Lendl Simmons to fire before the playoffs. And the move paid off. So I see all the momentum on his side. If you remember last match, I didn't make him as the captain or vice captain. This match, I just get a strong feeling he could come out all guns blazing, and that's why Lendl Simmons. Moving on to Sean Marsh. I think the pitch at the Wankhede will suit his style of batting. batting. The ball will come onto the bat, and he's somebody who can really tackle the likes of Mitchell Johnson, Mitchell McClenaghan, Jasprit Bumrah and the others. However, I see Harbhajan once again coming to the fray, but Marsh is a very crafty operator. He knows exactly how to score in a format like the T20. His history with Punjab has been phenomenal. So this is... It's more of a dark horse pick. I could have gone back to Rohit Sharma, but then we have people writing to us saying, "Hey, kya har match Rohit Sharma bar last match dekh ke karte ho?"
No, but Rohit Sharma in Mumbai.
Absolutely,
I know this season he has not clicked. But
Yes. But whenever he has clicked, we have had him as a captain or vice captain. Okay, कितने मैच हो गए? 13 मैच हो गए. So to people who wrote to us saying last match, please जाओ देखो 13 मैच देखो, स्क्रीनशॉट भेजो मेरे को. मैं रुका हूँ, आज भी रुका हूँ, किसी ने भेजा नहीं यार. मैं बहुत नाराज हूँ इस बात से. तो ऐसी हवे में कमेंट मत किया करो. Anyway, coming back to
the all-rounder slot.
Yes, नहीं एक जगह I want to address is Kieron Pollard.
Yeah.
Now, reason Kieron Pollard is in this team, in our team rather, is मेरे को नीतीश राणा पे थोड़ा डाउट है. He's got about he's averaging around 35-36. After the initial start, his runs have dried up. If you notice, last 4 or 5 matches, he's not even scored beyond 30. I genuinely feel
Maybe because they were all away matches.
Not only away, it's the question of opportunity also. Many a times he has been demoted for whatever reason. I don't know. Rohit came above him, Pollard batted above him. So it is also about opportunity. He doesn't get too many chances these days. It could happen tonight also. So that's why no space.
But Nitish Rana's record at
Nitish
Wankhede is really
no
good.
doubt about it, but you have to see the form. You have to see what are the chances of him getting the early exposure. So many things count. So I just feel Pollard is better suited for these conditions and also for the situation. Once again, they could say promote Pollard and we'll see what can be done. So I had to fill that slot with somebody. I could have gone for Martin Guptill also, but he has been in very, very bad form. And if somebody has not clicked in Punjab with an ordinary attack, what do you expect him to do against a quality attack like Mumbai? So these are the things that, so I had these 2-3 thoughts in my mind and I said, okay, let me go for Manan Vora, who's doing a better job, who's more stable. So I pick him. That's all. Having said that, like I said yesterday, when Ishan Kishan was batting, it was a fantastic move. Ishan Kishan scored 35. Not many picked him, but we picked him. And then Aaron Finch came and वो तो 2 ओवर में 30 मार दिया. तो अभी देखो. So this is.
But that is how Aaron Finch plays.
Exactly. So these things can happen. So we have again taken a call. Martin Guptill 5 overs 50 मार सकता है. You never know. But we just go with again. ये prediction नहीं है. Ball crystal ball घुमा के नहीं बोलते हैं कि ये खेलने वाला है आज. तो so we feel Sean Marsh, Manan Vora, Kieron Pollard, Rohit Sharma and Lendl Simmons. This completes our batting pack.
Okay. Moving on. Glenn Maxwell, Akshar Patel. Not so confident about Hardik Pandya?
I could have gone with Hardik, but he's not bowling, Nikhil. It worries me a great deal, because he can bowl. He starts with the new ball. He bowls at the death, but they don't seem to be going to him at all. Krunal Pandya is also not available. If you have Karan Sharma, Harbhajan Singh, one of Mitchell Johnson or Malinga, Bumrah, and then there is one more bowler that Harbhajan Singh. You have a pretty good attack already. So Hardik gets maybe an over or 2. He doesn't bowl his full quota. And batting, yes. Do you see Mumbai struggling against Kings 11? Whether they're chasing or setting a total, I don't see it happening. Hardik could come at number 4, number 5 during the 16th over. He could hit a few sixes. वो सब हो सकता है.
Yeah, the only thing that can, be considered if Mumbai is to lose is they become complacent of the situation, thinking कि like हम लोग already top पे है, क्या करना है?
ऐसा नहीं होगा. For 2 reasons. Mumbai, if they had to think in this fashion, they would have lost after the initial few games. Mumbai are playing very professionally. They are doing a very clinical job. It's a total team effort. There is no let off from anybody. And Punjab also, see, you have to see the opposition also. Complacent hoga to koi bhi, it's dangerous. Anybody can beat you. But playing at home, it's the last match. I'll tell you one more thing. Wankhede mein ek playoff hai.
sold out है.
Sold out है. And it is the first playoff.
Yeah.
Which means 99.99% chances है कि मुंबई ही खेलने वाला है. Because they have to qualify 1 or 2, na? So the additional incentive, if they beat Punjab today, tickets booked, home conditions, what else do you want? So much at stake. इसीलिए मुझे नहीं लगता कि कोई भी changes होगा. हुआ तो भी maximum एक मलिंगा.
यही मतलब मुंबई का प्रॉब्लम है. सिंस वी बोथ आर फ्रॉम मुंबई, वानखेड़े में मैच देखना है मतलब यू हैव टू बी ऑन योर टोज टू बुक द टिकट.
कोई मोहाली या फिर कोई जयपुर वाला ग्राउंड नहीं है कि आप बस वॉक इन कर लो. हाँ, या वानखेड़े, that's where Mumbai is a little different from other venues. I would even put Calcutta, Chennai. Look at Bangalore.
Yeah.
Their team is last.
Yeah.
Every match the stadium is full. So it just goes to show the passion, the love for the game, the connect with the players, and a large portion of Mumbai's success, I would give the credit to the fans because they back them just like how you see KKR fans, Bangalore, Chennai fans. So they deserve a lot of credit, and 30,000-35,000 every time pack hota hai bhai. So yeah, I don't think Punjab have it in them to beat Mumbai tonight.
Okay, and with no Hashim Amla.
Hashim Amla, David Miller तो पहले से ही नहीं है. Owen Morgan is coming back.
Okay.
हाँ, so ये एक कॉल हो सकता है. If Morgan, so इनका मैच कभी फिनिश हुआ था? 3 दिन पहले हुआ था. So London to Mumbai shouldn't take much time. एक दिन में तो पहुंच जाना चाहिए. अगर पहुंचता भी है तो he might play in the middle order. If he plays in the middle order, who could get sacrificed? Martin Guptill, who has not been firing. And I see Matt Henry playing once again ahead of Darren Sammy.
Okay.
That's all.
Okay, that's the wrap, guys, for today's episode.
कोई चेंजेस तो करने की जरूरत नहीं है. I'm pretty. क्या लगता है तुम्हें? Unless injury कुछ आता है last moment पे, we get some news. But Lendl Simmons, Sean Marsh I won't be surprised if many go with this because आप बनाओगे तो भी किसको दें? Rohit is one option.
Yeah.
Some people might even make Parthiv Patel. Not a bad choice, huh? Yeah. Parthiv Patel भी करता है काम.
A quick 30-40 in power play.
बिल्कुल, it makes a lot of difference. Yep. And in a 20-man league, sometimes you find out यार मैं 2 points से जीता या हारा. ऐसा होता है.
वो कौन सा मैच था कि कैप्टन जिसका 7 रन मारा था?
So I played in the league. This was Mumbai versus Delhi when Rohit Sharma cheated on me. And he said I will drop Josh Butler because I had Butler as the captain. And the one who won 10,000 in a 20-man league had Shreyas Iyer as captain. I want to meet that guy.
Who made only 10 runs?
He made मतलब कितना? He made 2 runs. He made 2 runs. He was his captain and he won 10,000 rupees. I'm still looking for justice.
So
ऐसा कुछ कदम मत उठाओ.
That's the beauty of the game, guys. Yes. You never know क्या हो सकता है क्या नहीं हो सकता है.
Public आज सोचेगा अरे सही आइडिया, मैं मनन वोरा को कैप्टन बनाता हूँ. ऐसा मत करो.
Okay, guys, that's a wrap. The article is up on our website, thefangarage.com. कोई doubts है तो connect us via Twitter TFGFantasy11 and on Facebook as Fantasy Pandit. Listen to our podcast. It's on YouTube, Intersworks Media, SoundCloud, Audioboom, and iTunes. Yeah.
Yes. And for people who don't know where the podcast goes, हम हमारे article में भी include कर रहे हैं.
Yeah.
तो just in case आप article पढ़ रहे हो, right at the very end is our podcast. You can listen to it. So
listen to our discussion. Till then, guys, take care. Bye-bye.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain speaking. Sorry to say, but there's been a slight delay due to the apocalypse having suddenly begun. As you can see, there's death, destruction, and chaos taking place all around us. But don't you worry, food and drinks will be served shortly, and I would recommend checking out
IVM Podcasts
to get some of your favorite Indian podcasts. We'll keep you going till this whole thing blows over. Thank you.